Today we will be unboxing the Harman Kardon Bluetooth Headphones. The box seems nice and sturdy. When you open up the box, you will see the headphones placed in their cradle. And right here on the sides of them, you can't pull the headphones out because you have two little wires that are holding them in. So you have to pull them up and untwist the wires. Once those wires are untwisted, you can pull them through the holes and place them to the side. The headphones, as you can see, are nice and sturdy, made out of metal, and they fold flat for storage and transportation. Inside the box, you have your charging cable. This plugs into the USB port, and this plugs into the headphones. Right here. That will charge your headphones. Also in the box, you have your bypass cable. The bypass cable will allow you to use the headphones without the Bluetooth functionality. So if you're on an airplane or your battery goes dead. You have two ends of the bypass cable. One has three little black lines on it, one has two black lines on it. The one with the three black lines plugs into the same port that you use to charge your headphones. This will allow you to use your headphones without the Bluetooth functionality. Also in the box you have a spare headband. And in the top of the box you have the leather carrying case, as well as some documentation. This leather carrying case is for you to use while transporting the headphones while not in use. And then you have your associated documentation. That is the unboxing of the Harman Kardon headphones, Bluetooth headphones.